Hey everyone, is Google Chrome downloading files super slow? Don't worry, I've got 4 quick fixes to speed things up. Let's dive in. Open Chrome and type chrome://flags in the address bar. Hit enter. In the search box, type parallel downloading. When it appears, set it to enabled, then click relaunch to restart Chrome. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and select Run. Type ncpa.cpl and press OK. Right-click on your active network, Ethernet or Wi-Fi. Go to Properties and select Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP/IPv4. Click Properties, then choose Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 1.1.1.1 for the top line, 1.0.0.1 for the bottom line. Click OK to save. In Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. Remove any suspicious or unnecessary extensions by clicking Remove. Search for CMD in the Start menu, run it as administrator and type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter, restart your computer and test your download speeds, and that's it. These steps should fix your slow download speed in Chrome. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.